Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today we will be learning about the 7 funniest and rarest animals on the planet. To begin our research, let's look at some facts about funny animals and rare animals. We can find many interesting videos about these topics on YouTube. Now let's take a closer look at them. Funny animal facts. First, a giraffe can eat up to 40 pounds of food each day. That's more than one person eats in a week. Second, a group of owls is called a parliament. Third, a red kangaroo can kick with the force of 322 pounds per square inch. Fourth, a blue whale's tongue weighs about the same as an elephant. Fifth, in Finland, a minimum of 16 megabits per second internet speed is a fundamental human right. And sixth, flamingos can only drink salty water. Rare animal facts. First, there are only about 400 giant pandas left in the wild. Second, tigers have stripes like fingerprints. No two are alike. Third, the okapi has a prehensile tongue that it uses to grasp leaves and other vegetation while browsing. Fourth, the axolotl can regrow its own heart if it's damaged. Fifth, a narwhal can live to be 200 years old. And sixth, dung beetles can roll their weight in dung. Now let's move on to step 2, which is keyword development. The following questions can help us find the best keywords for this topic. What do funny and rare animals have in common? What types of animals are funny and why? Which rare animals are also funny, and what makes them so special? As we think about these questions, we can write down some keywords related to the topic. In step 3, we should use various sources to learn more about our topic. Encyclopedias are a great place to start when researching a topic because they contain background information and definitions of important terms, which allow users to search for academic articles and other scholarly works related to their research interests. Using a variety of resources allows researchers to gather diverse perspectives and ensure that their work is well informed and comprehensive. Funny and rare animals are fascinating. They make us laugh and wonder at the same time. These animals often have unique physical traits or behaviors that set them apart from their peers. Some examples include the blobfish, the star-nosed mole, the axolotl, the okapi, the narwhal, and the red kangaroo. The blobfish is known for its unusual appearance, which has earned it the nickname the world's ugliest animal. The star-nosed mole has a distinctive nose that resembles a star and is highly sensitive to touch. The axolotl is a type of salamander that can regenerate its limbs. The okapi has a prehensile tongue that it uses to grasp leaves and other vegetation while browsing. The narwhal is a whale with a long spiral tusk that can grow up to 10 feet in length. The red kangaroo is the largest of all kangaroo species and is known for its powerful kicks. These animals are not only unique and fascinating, but they also exhibit a sense of humor that makes them truly hilarious. From their funny names to their silly antics, these animals are sure to make you laugh. So let's take a closer look at them. The blobfish lives deep in the waters off the coast of Australia, where it uses its large mouth and expandable stomach to create suction to suck up prey. Its unusual appearance is due to its lack of muscle tone, which causes it to appear deflated and droopy. The star-nosed mole lives in the forests of North America, where it uses its star-shaped nose to sniff out food. It has over 22,000 receptors that detect even the slightest movement or vibration in its surroundings. The axolotl is found in the lakes and canals of Mexico, where it can regenerate its limbs if they are bitten off by predators. It also has the ability to heal itself from almost any injury, including spinal cord injuries. The okapi lives in the dense rainforests of Central Africa, where it uses its prehensile tongue to strip leaves from branches. It has a distinctive zebra-like pattern on its hindquarters that serves as camouflage. The narwhal lives in the frigid waters of the Arctic, where it uses its long tusk to attract mates. It also uses its tusk to break through the ice in order to breathe at the surface. The red kangaroo is found in the grasslands and deserts of Australia, where it uses its powerful legs to kick predators. It is also able to store water in its body for long periods of time, allowing it to survive in arid environments. These animals are not only fascinating to observe, but they also play an important role in their ecosystems. The blobfish is an important part of the marine food chain in Australia's deep waters. The star-nosed mole helps aerate the soil as it burrows through it in search of food. The axolotl is a key species in the Mexican lakes where it lives, and its ability to regenerate its limbs has led to it being studied for potential medical applications. The okapi is a browser in the African rainforest, and its distinctive zebra-like pattern is thought to help it hide from predators. The narwhal is a top predator in the Arctic where it feeds on fish and other marine animals. The red kangaroo is a herbivore and is an iconic symbol of Australia's unique wildlife. In addition to their ecological importance, these animals are also threatened by a number of factors. The blobfish is at risk due to climate change and overfishing. The star-nosed mole is facing habitat loss due to deforestation. The axolotl is endangered due to pollution and the introduction of invasive species into its habitat. The okapi is threatened by poaching and habitat destruction. The narwhal is at risk due to climate change and the degradation of its habitat. The red kangaroo is facing threats from predators introduced by humans, habitat loss, and climate change. In conclusion, these 7 animals are truly amazing and they are sure to make us laugh and wonder at the same time. From the blobfish to the star-nosed mole, each animal has its own unique characteristics and behaviors that make it stand out from the rest. These animals are not only funny and rare, but they also play an important role in their ecosystems. It is important that we protect these animals and their habitats so that future generations can continue to enjoy their beauty and wonder. And now it's time for step 5, which is evaluation. We have learned about some of the funniest and rarest animals on the planet and how they make us laugh and wonder at the same time. We have also learned about the threats they face and what we can do to help protect them. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the world of funny and rare animals and that it has inspired you to learn more about our planet's amazing creatures. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe and comment below with your suggestions for future topics. We look forward to seeing you again soon.